Hi everyone, this is Alex again, and today in this short video we're going to talk about how to set up your WordPress website using Fantastico. There are two ways of setting up your WordPress site. You can either do it manually or you can do it using using Fantastico. I tried to get my site up, but as you can see it has not yet resolved yet. I don't know what happened to it. Itakuja tu siku moja, who knows. Okay, so instead I've decided to use this domain name which I was given to register. It's going to be phonesinkenya.com. So you're going to follow the same process. So as you can see, it's already resolved, and I can use this to fix it. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your cPanel, right? And that's, you just put in your domain name and then add cPanel at the end, right? So you need your username and you also need your password. This information you're going to get from the first email that was sent to you when you got your domain name. So you have the username right there and then the password right there. Okay, so I'm going to copy that. And then I'm also going to copy the password. So I'm going to be able to log into the I think I can see this for later use. So I'm going to be able to log into the cPanel. The cPanel is the heart of your site. So every website has a cPanel, or sometimes it's they're different types. There's cPanel, there's I've forgotten the names, but you don't need to know them now because you're going to be using cPanel a lot. I prefer it to any other type of software for your website. So you need to. So first thing that you ever do when you set up your website is to go create an email address. All right. Please don't forget to set up your email address. It's a good idea to do so. So I'll go in and type in your email. You have a choice of any that you want. It's your whatever anyway. So I'll do that. I'll just create admin and then create an account. Okay. And my account has been created. So I've got an email address called admin@phonesinkenya.com. Okay. Now next, I want to go set up my what? My WordPress website. Okay. Like we said, you're not going to do it manually. We're going to do this using Fantastico. So Fantastico is a software that you'll find right at the bottom of your cPanel. Okay. And the beauty about it is that you can set up any type of website just by one click. Okay, you've got all the way from PHP wiki to web calendars to advanced polls to for images gallery to PHPB to SMF forums. So you can set up any, even Joomla 1.5 in the old version. So but today we want to set up using WordPress. So all you do is just click on WordPress, okay, and it will install for you a WordPress website. Okay. If the internet was faster, we could have done this in about 5 minutes. But this is Kenya. So it's going to install the new WordPress. Or you just click on new installation. Then over here you'll add your admin data. When you're setting this up, I prefer it when you have, just keep it simple, because you might, if you make it too difficult, you might forget your passwords and your admin access. You can always change this later. So for now I'm going to use the data as admin access is admin, username, and password is going to be admin. Then admin nickname, I'm just going to use admin. And then if you remember the email address that we had, you just call that admin@phonesinkenya. Then you call the site name Phones in Kenya. and then I think I'll use a description or a tagline that says reviews of Kenyan phones, or you can just add anything that you feel like. All these can be changed. Just keep in mind the admin data, login, and the password. Everything else here can be changed later. And now I'm ready to install my WordPress. All I do is just click on that. Okay, so this is a database name. We're going to change this much later. About a week from now we're going to change this, because sometimes this is a security issue. So I can log in to phones at phonesinkenya.com. So all I do now is just finish install. Okay, and I think I'm all set. Alright, so just keep in mind the username and your password, and just save that, just in case you forget. You can save that with your other details of the domain. Yeah, it does happen that you forget some of this stuff, so I'm going to save this. And you can even email the details of that installation to your own email in case you forget the details. It's possible, so just do that, send either email, but the site is ready now. Okay, so let's go see our website. Okay, it's phonesinkenya.com. See, you have your first WordPress websites. Congratulations. Thank you. Let's see you the next time.